What happens to total revenue when a firm increases its price? That is, when price goes up, what's going to happen to total revenue? Will total revenue increase, decrease, or remain constant? We're going to simplify our analysis with three assumptions. We'll assume the firm produces one product. It charges only one price for all units sold, and that the quantity sold equals the quantity demanded. This means the firm sells to all consumers willing to pay the price. Now, first we've got to know what total revenue is. Total revenue is the total amount that all customers pay the firm for the output they purchase. In our simple example, total revenue is the product of price and quantity sold. If we let TR be total revenue and P be price and Q be quantity, total revenue is the product of price and quantity. Suppose that the current price of our firm is $10 and that it's selling 100 pizzas per week. This means that total revenue will be $10 times 100, which is $1,000 per week. Now the question is, what happens if the firm increases price to 11? The naive answer might be that the quantity stays at 100, and therefore that the total revenue is now 11 times 100, or $1,100. However, this naive view neglects or fails to recognize that the increase in price will decrease the quantity demanded and thereby decrease the quantity traded or sold. So let's get rid of that and get rid of this. If the quantity decreases by a small amount, then total revenue increases. For example, suppose the quantity demanded falls or decreases by 5 pizzas. So the new quantity is not 100, but it's 95. In that case, the total revenue is going to be 11 times 95, which equals 1,045. So a small decrease in quantity will lead to an increase in total revenue. But on the other hand, quantity might fall by a larger amount. What if quantity falls by 85? Or falls by 15? Then the quantity demand will be 85, and the new total revenue will be 11 times 85, which equals 935. So the moral of the story is that the impact of the change in price depends upon whether the response of consumers is large or small. This lesson examines how to measure whether response is large or small.